Hello everyone, welcome to DevOpsLover YouTube channel. So I hope you have subscribed this YouTube channel for learning about various DevOps topics. So in this particular YouTube channel, I have uploaded videos about Linux, basic of DevOps, advanced DevOps terminologies, cloud, and uh, Kubernetes or various DevOps concepts or DevSecOps concepts as well. So I hope you are enjoying this learning video series about the Jenkins as well. So recently I've uploaded multiple videos about Jenkins or Jenkins use cases. So these are few recent video tutorials like how to do the Jenkins setup, what are the use cases of Jenkins, how we can use the Docker for Jenkins setup and Docker volume related stuffs. Also, I have uploaded videos about how to do the Jenkins management, and recent video is something about what are the things which every DevOps engineer should be learn about the administrations, about the backup, and about the best practices. So today we are going to learn about how we can handle the Jenkins job creation part or job addition part. So there are multiple steps which we need to follow when we need to create the Jenkins job. So there are multiple types of job like freestyle or Maven based job or pipeline based job we can create or multi-pipeline based job we can create. So there are multiple ways of creating job which every Jenkins administrator or Jenkins user need to be work on in every day-to-day activities. So to go ahead with the how to learn about the jobs addition or job deletion thing, or there are a lot of things will be there when you are creating the new job, like the configuration part and adding the script automation or adding the pipeline automation. So there are a lot of things are there. So as a prerequisite, you should be have the basic idea about the Linux and operating system data stuffs, which I have already covered in previous videos. So let's say you have to create the job of the Jenkins. So you can consider a use case like your basic application is there, which is code committed on the GitHub, and you need to try with some integration, or you have to solve the use cases for build and deployment thread part. So how to achieve that in the Jenkins? So Jenkins is providing this capability by using the creating the jobs in Jenkins. So you can create multiple types of jobs in Jenkins. So today we are going to learn about how to create freestyle job. So freestyle job is something like you can configure any particular steps or any configuration by using this freestyle job. So if you have the access of Jenkins administrator, or if you have the Jenkins server, you can easily create any freestyle job in Jenkins. So let's see how to do that. So as a prerequisite, you should have the Jenkins administrator access. Also, you should have the Jenkins setup available on your machine. So how to do that? That I have already covered in previous videos. So let's watch these videos if you are watching the Jenkins job creation part first time. So let's say I have created this particular Jenkins setup. When that Jenkins setup is up and running, I'm able to log in the Jenkins setup and I have the access. How to do the access of Jenkins administration? So you can easily check by using this. Manage Jenkins is something visible only for the admin access. So once you have the Jenkins setup available and you have the admin access, you can create the new job. You can also create, also delete or update existing job. So you should be only have the required access control with you. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to create job, how to delete job. So let's create it. You can, so there is option at the left side. You can click on new item. Then here you can see the various type of the jobs are there. So you can see the freestyle project is there, pipeline based project is there, multi-configuration project is there. Also folder specific project or folder specific job you can create, multi branch pipeline you can create, or organization folder. we can create. So each particular job is having the particular set of functionality with it. So based on the requirement, you can just create that and you can configure it. So mostly freestyle job or pipeline job are some basic use cases of the every DevOps engineer or every Jenkins user uh, who are creating this particular job. So freestyle project, as I mentioned, like this is the central feature of Jenkins. Jenkins will be build your project combining any SCM with any build system, and this can be even used for something other than software build. So this freestyle job you can be used for your CI and CD purpose, where your Git clone is happening, your build automation commands you can add, Maven build steps you can add. So all these configurations you can add easily. So let's focus on freestyle job for the today's session, and the rest of the things we will learn in the subsequent session. What is pipeline? What is Jenkins file? How to do the integration of end-to-end pipeline project? How to deploy it on Kubernetes and various other components by using pipeline-based job. So that we are also going to learn in some subsequent videos. So let's today learn about the basic thing, how to do create jobs in Jenkins. So let's say I have to create the job. I'm creating the job like Jenkins demo job, and I'm selecting that should be freestyle job. Once I click on OK, I can give the description as well. This is my first Jenkins demo job. So here there are various configurations are coming. You can configure the Git settings as well. So once you click on the Git, you need to pass the public Git URL or private Git URL. You can easily configure those settings. So right now I'm just creating the job. And once you creating on the save option, this particular job is visible on your dashboard. You can easily build it, can verify the logs as well. So right now nothing is added in this job. So you can build it multiple times. So you can see 3 to 4 builds are happening. Also, you can configure few configurations as well, like discard old builds. Let's say there is use case like you need to be keep only recent 2 builds that you can be update the configuration. There is other option as well. You can keep number of dates as well, like recent 2 dates logs I required. So right now I'm just keeping like only last 2 build logs should be there. I'm creating or selecting its uh, that particular option. And now you can see the previous 4 logs are there. But if I click on build now, only the recent 2 logs will be there with the recent settings. So I have executed build now option and just checking the logs. So here you can see only recent 2 builds are there because that is deleted by using the existing build discard job operation. So like this, you can create multiple jobs. Uh, Let me showcase example of another job, Jenkins demo 2 job. That is again freestyle job. Job is created. Here you can able to see other job is there. You can again execute it and able to see this particular job. You can configure required things with it. Let's take an example like how we can configure the shell script. So let's see I'm executing any particular shell script like pwd or echo hello. So, first job. So any shells command you can add ls minus lrt. So let's execute it. So once it's successfully executed, it will be showcased the output as well for your shell execution. So this is how you can create job. You can also the delete particular job as well if you have the access for it. So for example, I have to delete this job. I can delete it. So similarly, like this, I can configure or delete this particular jobs. So there are particular settings with it, multiple options, multiple plugins are there, which we can use for the particular builds and deployment option. So it has support with various plugins and all. So these particular options we can use easily, like Maven build and all, or shell, which we have just discussed. Also email related integration. So we will learn this one by one in subsequent video series. So today we learn about how to create job, how to delete job, and how to configure job. And it's freestyle job. I hope you learn about this and you are enjoying this Jenkins video series. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, let's subscribe it and learn about the Jenkins and DevOps related things. Thank you.